everyone, it's Nina. Thanks for joining me today for a new tutorial. And today I'm going to be featuring the ThermoWeb flock sheets. Flocking sheets are so much fun because they give you the look of flock without having to deal with any mess of powders or other adhesives to hold everything together. Flock sheets I love using with some fun dies to create some cool die cut elements. The dies I'm using today are the Build a Rainbow die set from Simon Says Stamp and the Lawn Fawn Simple Puffy Clouds. These puffy clouds are going to look great at the ends of my rainbow. Now before we get into the card itself, I want to show you all of the flocking sheets. There are quite a few colors to choose from. You've got the entire rainbow plus two neutrals, white and black. And these flock sheets are great size, so which means you get a lot of bang of these 5 sheets in each pack of the flock colors. Now to get into the project itself, I'm going to use some Deco foil foam adhesive. This is the adhesive that I'm going to cut with my Build a Rainbow die. You get 2 sheets of the foam adhesive in this pack, and these are great large sizes, so you're going to get a lot of cards or elements out of each sheet. I'm going to take that rainbow die and cut a piece that I can then put through my die cut machine. The Build a Rainbow die cuts all of these fun arches that you can then use to build an entire rainbow from. Now you could use them all together, or like I'm going to do here, I'm going to alternate which arch I'm going to use. So every other arch I'm not going to use, and that's going to give me a little bit of space between each of the rainbow colors. So after I've separated all of my rainbows out, I'm going to then move on to adhering these onto the flock. These are just foam adhesive, so which means this is just a piece of foam that has adhesive on both sides, and there's a release paper on each side of that foam adhesive. So I will take off one of the release papers from the back of my rainbow die cut, and then I will adhere that onto the flocking sheet. I'll give it a good press, and I'll do that to all of the other colors that I have for my rainbow. Before I go ahead and take these foam adhesive sheets off of the flock, I am going to go ahead and run this through my die cut machine. The reason I want to do this is because I need to press my adhesive into that flock really well. You could burnish it if you'd like, but I really love running this through my die cut machine because I know I'm getting a ton of pressure and it's going to apply that pressure evenly across my flocking and die cut pieces. So I'll just put this through my Gemini Junior die cut machine, and when I'm done, I have my pieces here that I'm just going to peel off of that flocking sheet, and it comes off super easy and it's completely covered with that gorgeous flock. Can you see how little mess this is? I am just enamored with this flocking stuff. I have been using this and having so much fun with it. It's so much more easier than using flock powders. I remember when years ago those were popular, and oh my goodness, what a mess they were. Now I'm going to finish off my card using a fun sentiment from the Simon Says Stamp Greetings Mix 1 die set. I'm going to cut this out from a circle die because I want this to continue with the arches and the fun puffy clouds. Those puffy clouds I also flocked. I put some white flock on those as well. And I just adhered the rainbow down onto my card. This is just a piece of white cardstock that I'm attaching onto an A2 card base that is covered with some Lawn Fawn really rainbow pattern paper. This is a very simple card. I didn't use any advanced techniques with this. I wanted to make this easy for anybody to recreate. I'm just going to finish off this card with a few sparkly embellishments. These are some fun little mini stars from Lucy's Cards and some Simon Says Stamp Strawberry Shortcake sequins. I hope that this card is inspiring to you and helps you get a jump start into creating with the ThermoWeb flock sheets. These flock sheets can create such gorgeous effects on your cards. Imagine if you cut this with an animal die to create a fuzzy effect, or if you wanted to create something really cute and playful like this rainbow, you have these flocking sheets creating that fun velvety effect, but it had absolutely no mess involved in the creation process. That makes crafting super easy. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspiration. And thanks again for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I will be back again soon with more to share. But until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye!